Lincoln Rejuvenate experience feels like having a spa on wheels, taking the power of Sanctuary to the next level. Lincoln Rejuvenate curates your seat position with heat and massage options, cabin climate control, digital sense, sound, lighting, and screen visuals to help create a more relaxing experience inside your vehicle, giving you a moment to relax and recharge so you're ready to take on whatever comes next in your day. Before you start the Rejuvenate experience, the vehicle engine must be running and in park, and all doors must be closed. Select the app drawer from the home screen, then press the Rejuvenate icon. From the Rejuvenate main screen, tap on the settings in the upper right. This will allow you to select your preferred settings, either before the experience begins or during. Digital Scent provides you with 3 scents to choose from, or you can let the experience choose the scent by selecting Automatic with Theme. Seat Settings allows you to turn on or off the driver's seat movement, massage, heated seats, or ventilated seats. Audio Settings provides 3 different options. Next, select your preferred theme and indicate if you'd like a 5 or 10-minute experience. Then just sit back and enjoy. First, the seat reclines and begins to massage. The seat may be slightly heated to enhance your comfort, and the cabin climate setting may adjust to your preference. The ambient lighting then sets the perfect mood to match the ambience of soothing sounds and video displayed on the touchscreen and on the panoramic display. A coordinated digital scent subtly pulls you deeper into the experience. And as the experience winds down, the audio and video transforms and the seat rises slightly and begins to cool. This experience really makes you feel so invigorated. Thank you for watching.